Hello, and thank you for joining us once again for another segment of spotlighting Novi area restaurants. And during this time, especially, they really need all of the attention that they can get. And thank you, Katie, for joining me as well. We're both going to check out a good restaurant that has some fantastic food. And as a part of this, they agreed to do a little cooking segment. You can check out our Facebook page for a couple of the other restaurants that we had last week, I think it was. Is that right, Katie? We had last week a couple of the
Yes, that's
restaurants.
correct.
Yeah, so we're going to see now Sedona Taphouse, and they have some excellent food. Have you tried it before?
I have not. I've never been there before. But after
Well,
looking
this
at some of this food, I think I'm going to have to go check it out. So we'll see. It looks
makes your mouth
delicious.
water just looking at the pictures,
Mhm.
doesn't it? Let's take a look at a couple of the pictures that they have and some of the things that they sell there.
Yes. Okay. So first, we've just got their address here for anyone who's interested.
Yeah, it's right at 12 Oaks Mall, so it's really convenient. They have convenient they carry out and curbside pickup and a lot of options, even though you can't dine in right now. No excuse not to get some food and support our area businesses, especially our restaurants during this time of being open, being closed. And once again, I think they have another few more days that they have to remain closed for dine-in services. But let's look at some of that food, Katie.
Ooh, there it is.
I already showed up my favorite, the crab cakes there, which are excellent.
Yes, those look delicious.
And then they have some special sauce over some grilled something or another. Look at that. Huh?
On the right with some mashed potatoes. And then on the left, I think we've got shrimp tacos.
Yeah, looks good. And they have so many things on their menu. But right now, let's take a look at a video that they provided of another excellent dish. I believe it's a fettuccine type thing. We'll let him tell you.
All right, let's go ahead and start this up.
Hello and welcome everyone. My name is Sean Jaskowiak. I'm the GM of Sedona Taphouse, and this is Jackie Levine. She is a fellow manager here. She's going to be cooking the devil's pasta, which is probably our highest selling pasta, and it's my favorite, one of my favorite items on the menu. Cream-based sauce, a little bit spicy. It's made with chicken, garlic, onion, basil, mushrooms. And am I missing anything? Yeah, tomatoes as well. So we're going to start cooking it right now. As Jackie gets started, we'll kind of chat a little bit about Sedona Taphouse. So we are a franchisee out of the concept itself started in Virginia. We are locally owned here. We have 2 stores in Michigan right now. One in Troy, Michigan, and this one where we're cooking from in Novi. And we are currently doing to-go business. We have a lot of specials going on, which is what we'll also get into as well. But Jackie right now is getting this food ready. Let me angle this down a little bit here. So Jackie, what are you doing right now?
I am waiting for the oil to heat up in my pan that has mushrooms.
So right now we're just making sure that our oil is nice and hot. And we're going to start with our sauteed mushrooms. We do have a lot of these items prepped ahead of time to make sure that this video is a little bit quicker. We do have our chicken and our sauteed mushrooms, and as well as our penne pasta prepped ahead of time. Everything we do here, we try to do fresh, and we prep daily to make sure we get the quality that we believe sets us apart from the competition. So she just added in the garlic, basil, onion, and tomato. So we're just going to saute that up. And while she's doing that, we'll talk about a few things we got going on right now. We do have family meal deals. So we have our grilled chicken, we have our flat iron, or Angus flat iron, and as well as our Norwegian Atlantic salmon, which is phenomenal. We have all of those on our meal deal special to go, which means you get either a choice of 2 chicken, 2 steaks, or 2 salmon. The chicken and steak meal deals are about $25 each. And again, that's 2 entrees, and you get a side of garlic with potatoes and broccoli. You do have an option to substitute. Some of our more premium sides are additional couple dollars, but our salmon, our Norwegian Atlantic salmon, is also on our meal deal, which is $30. And again, that's 2 salmon entrees with garlic with potatoes and broccoli. So those are some really good deals we got going on there. We do offer all of our wine bottles, our beer bottles and cans, tap off to go all day, every day. We are also honoring a happy hour to go, which is 2 to 5. Normally we do not do happy hour to go, but we want to try to make sure we're taking care of everybody. And we're also offering the best deal possible, which I think, in my personal opinion, we have the best happy hour in Metro Detroit. So the happy hour consists of selected flatbreads, tacos, as well as some starter options that are all discounted. They're either $5 or $7, which is a killer deal. Especially with our Wagyu Kobe beef sliders, which are phenomenal. Another high-selling item. I'm sure a lot of you who have been here have tried that. A lot of people definitely know us for our pastas, like this Devil's Pass pasta, and they also know us for our really good deals. So those are a few things going on there. It looks like Jackie has added in the sauce, which is a cream-based sauce. It's got a little bit of kick to it. I like a lot of heat, so I always add more, but there is some heat to it right now, so I'll get a little bit of a closer view here. That's looking beautiful. Kind of wish this video was a little bit better, but maybe we'll do a retake. I don't know. So, all right, there we go. So now she's adding in the penne pasta noodles. We do also have fettuccine, which we use with our French Quarter pasta, which is also a really, really good item. What am I missing as far as our specials too? We obviously, big time for gift card special. We do have every $100 spent, you get a $20 bonus card. And in the near future, if you guys keep our Facebook, if you keep an eye on that, or if you're a rewards member, you can join at SedonaTaphouse.com/rewards. You can also download our free app, but I highly recommend keeping posted on that, because we will actually be doing a double bonus as far as $40 off for every $100 spent. So that's another really good deal. We have some really awesome gift basket options going on as well, where we have 3 different tiers. So if you're looking to put together something with a little bit of beer or wine, and we got some awesome Sedona Taphouse glassware that we put together with our gift cards. And we have really awesome retail as well, such as hoodies, whether it's a pullover or a zip up. Probably should have worn one, but we have a lot going on and a lot of specials to offer. So plenty of options to fill up, whether it's for your stockings, for stocking stuffers, or presents in general, or somebody that happens to support local restaurants and really enjoys our product, which I hope you all do. So looking pretty good. Looks like we probably want to cook on the sauce a little bit more, or what do you think? How far are we in here? So it's almost a complete product. We're looking for the sauce color to change a little bit more towards, a salmon color, if you will, to make sure we get our full flavors out. So I want to give a shout out to Gail and Novi Library for setting this up and allowing us to be a part of it. Right now, there's a lot of people that are struggling in the restaurant business, and we hope that whether it's us or another local restaurant, that you guys are all coming out to support your local restaurant during this time. We just got news that it will be continued kind of shutdown here for restaurants until December 20th. So please, no matter if it's us or another local restaurant, please purchase gift cards, whatever you can do to at least bridge the gap to when we're able to get back to normal and get some dine in here. Because I feel for a lot of those people who are unemployed and do not have a job right now. That's a tough time for everyone, and hopefully we can get through this and come back out on top, which I believe we will. So we probably should have got our garnishes, huh? We need somebody to grab some garnishes, but finished product. But as this is coming together, anything you think we need to add, Jackie? Hey, Ron, will you put together the beautiful, 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 beautiful. So as we're finishing up this pasta here, we're going to make sure we have our correct garnishes, which is a little bit more basil to liven it up and green it up. And then we also add Parmesan and our red peppers, nice red peppers. So, and again, please keep an eye on our Facebook or in our webpage at SedonaTaphouse.com and make sure you're looking at the Novi location. But this pasta is available all day, every day, and we have plenty other really great items as well. What do you think? Should we pull this up? Beautiful. So there is the Devil's Pass pasta. There we go, and we're gonna top it off. Hopefully I don't spill it everywhere. A little Parmesan, red pepper, and basil. See if we can get a better angle here. Perfect. So there is our Devil's Pass pasta. Again, thank you, Novi Library and Gail, for the time, and we hope to see you all soon, and hopefully see you sooner than later as far as dining goes. Thank you very much, and stay safe, everyone.
Wow, that looks delicious, doesn't it, Katie?
Oh, yes. I love pasta. So that is just making me so.
I know. I said the only downside to these virtual programs is we don't get to taste it in person.
Oh, no.
But I would love to get a gift card. That's a good idea. They mentioned getting gift cards for the holiday, and I think that would be an excellent gift. Not only are you supporting a restaurant, but someone gets to appreciate some really good food. That restaurant or any of our local area restaurants, I encourage you to consider that as a gift option as we do our holiday shopping. A lot of it, I think you can even do online. So good choice, good food, and anything else you want to add, Katie?
Just that happy
You're
hour.
doing good. All right.
Super cool.
Yeah, did you hear that?
Yes.
Never thought of that.
Loved that.
Gotta be creative in so many ways.
Yes, I'm a big happy hour fan. I love getting those discounts on those apps and things like that. So that's really cool that they're doing that.
Yes, it is. So good. So thank you for your time. Check out this restaurant and others on our website, on our Facebook, and now you can just look them up yourselves and please support them, keep them in mind this season. Thank you for joining us. Have a good evening.